back to a new lesson. I am Niharika. Well, in today's lesson, we are going to look at some vocabulary related to offering food and drinks to your guests. So if often you have guests at home, how do you offer or how do you show off your hospitality skills is what we are going to learn today. So we have 4 questions that you can use to offer food and drinks. And then we have expressions to accept or to refuse. So let's get started. The first question that you can use or you can ask your guests is, would you like some more wine? Okay, so you have to be really nice and polite. And if you think that your guest needs another glass of wine, then you can put up this question. Would you like some more wine? Okay, now not necessary that it has to be wine. This is just an example. It can be anything. Like, would you like some more beer? Would you like some more sandwiches? Okay, let's have a look at another question that you can ask to your guests. Can I get you some more bread? Okay, now probably you are at your dinner table and all the guests are sitting and having a good time eating and talking. And then you think that, okay, probably the guests need some more bread. So how would you offer some more bread? Well, this is the right question that you can ask in English. Can I get you some more bread? Can I get you some more rice? Can I get you some more chicken? Okay, so if you think that the guest's plate doesn't look too full and probably it's time to offer some more food, then use this. Let's move on to another question that you can ask, which is, do you have room for some more dessert? Now, it's time for some dessert. If you have a sweet tooth, then of course you can ask for some more dessert. If you think your guests definitely need some more dessert, then how would you offer? Well, you can say, do you have room for some more dessert? Now here the word room actually means, do you have some space in your tummy? Okay? All right. And then the last question that usually people end up asking is, have you got enough meat? Have you got enough meat there? Or have you got enough rice there? So you're just making sure that your guest is enjoying the food. And if he needs or she needs anything else, then you can get it for her or for him. Okay? So these are the 4 questions that you would use to offer food and drinks. And now let's learn how to accept it. Now if someone is offering you something, how would you reply? Oh, yes, please. So for example, would you like some more wine? And I'm the guest here. And yes, I would like to have some more wine. Then I'm going to say, oh, yes, please. And the moment I am being served some more wine, then I would also say, thank you. So, oh, yes, please. And then I'll say, thank you. Just a little more. Thank you. So can I get you some more bread? And I would say that just a little more and then thank you, okay? And then another way for accepting the offer is, that would be great, thank you. So for example, do you have room for some more dessert? And yes, I do have a sweet tooth and I love dessert. I love caramel pudding, I love ice creams. So yes, I do have some more room. So I would say that would be great. Thank you. Okay, so this is the way you will accept the offer. And if you are too full, you have no room in your stomach, then how would you refuse? Well, no, not for me. Now again, when you're refusing, you should always end it with thank you. Okay, so that makes you sound really polite. So for example, would you like some more wine? No, not for me. Thank you. Next one, I have got enough. So let's have a look. Can I get you some more bread? Oh, I've got enough. So which means that you don't need any more bread in your plate. So you'll say, I've got enough, and then again, end it with thank you. No, I'm good. So, for example, do you have room for some more dessert? And then you're just too full. So you would say, no, I'm good. Thank you. And then the last way to refuse an offer is, I'm too full. So here, the word full, it means that you have no room, no space in your tummy because you have eaten too much. So now you can't eat anymore. So this is another way to refuse the offer. Alright, so these are the 4 questions that you can use to offer food. This is the way you will accept it. This is the way you will refuse it. And now let's have a look at some expressions that would help you to give choices and also thank the host. Now here are some expressions that you can use to give options to your guests. Now at times, there are too many things at home that you can offer to your guests. Now how do you do that? Well, this is a perfect question that you can ask. Would you like some ice cream or cake? Now you have ice cream for dessert and you also have some cake for dessert. So now it's time to ask your guests that what would they prefer? What would they like to eat? So you can ask, would you like some ice cream or cake? Now, if you are the guest, how would you answer to this question? Well, the first option, either, please. Now, either, it means that it doesn't matter. You're okay having some ice cream. You're also okay having some cake. So it doesn't matter. Okay, so you like ice cream, you also like cake, so it's all right, whatever suits the host. So you can say either, please, okay? The other one, both, please. Oh yes, I love ice creams, I love cake, and I'm a big foodie. So I would like to eat both. So if you are starving, you are absolutely hungry and you love eating ice cream as well as cake, then go ahead, say both please, okay? And if you prefer something, like probably you like ice cream a little more than cake, then you can say I would prefer ice cream, okay? So here you show your preference. Here you would like to have both ice cream and the cake. And if you say either please, then it really doesn't matter, okay? And then it's time to thank your host. How would you do that? Well, the first way to do that is the food was scrumptious. So which means that you have to, even if you don't like the food, but it's important for you to appreciate. So how would you appreciate? By using a great adjective, by saying scrumptious. The food was scrumptious, the food was excellent, the food was wonderful. You can also say that was lovely. So probably you loved the cake and you loved the taste of it. So particularly you would like to appreciate the cake, then you would say, oh, the cake was lovely, or that was just lovely. Okay, and then the last way is I need the recipe. So if you really liked what you ate and probably you are not that great in it, so you can ask for the recipe. So this is also another way of appreciating. So you can say, oh, the food was just excellent. The meat was so well cooked. I need the recipe, please. Okay, so here it means that you are appreciating the meat that you ate. Okay, so hope this lesson is helpful to you. The next time you're visiting someone or you are having guests at home, use these expressions because that would help you to sound really confident. And I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.